Outdoor cooker assembly for model number SS1316, SS1316N, 1316, 1316N, 9013, 9013N, and 12013N. Thank you for purchasing a King Kooker outdoor cooking product. The following video illustrates the proper assembly procedure of your new King Kooker product. It is not a substitute for your product's instruction manual, which should be read, understood, and followed before assembling and using your King Kooker product. Required tools: screwdriver, adjustable wrench, leak testing solution, cooker stand, hose regulator assembly, instruction manual, basket, pot, 6 screws, 6 flat washers, 6 lock washers, 6 lock nuts. Layout so holes align and proper shape in center shows. Make sure the plate with the cutout for the welded stand plate goes on first, heat plate number 1. Install heat plate number 2 with provided screw, flat washer, lock washer, and lock nut. Heat plate number 3. Install heat plate number 3 with provided screw, flat washer, lock washer, and lock nut. Tighten hose and regulator assembly by hand. Then tighten with crescent wrench the rest of the way. Measure a distance of 10 feet from any structure. Make sure the regulator is turned to the off position, then connect to the propane tank that is also in the off position. Turn on the tank. Then turn on the regulator. Perform the leak test with soap and water. Bubbles indicate the connection is not tight enough. Tighten more and test again. No bubbles mean you're ready to go. If you're still experiencing bubbles, try tightening again. If this doesn't work, contact our customer service team at 800-783-3885, Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Watch our safety and use video. Always read and understand the entire instruction manual before using your outdoor cooker. Thank you for your business and for using King Kooker outdoor cooking products. Check out other fine King Kooker products at www.kingkooker.com.